Hello, Arman and Prakriti, and today we will learn multiplication using the Trachtenberg system. Now, this time, instead of multiplying with a single digit multiplier, we will use a two-digit multiplier. Here is what I mean. First of all, let's pick a number. Okay, so let's make 5, 6, 4, 3. We should probably use a better fonts. Let me make it this, and there we go, big letters. Okay, 5643, and this we multiply with 3. This was a single digit multiplier. Okay, so now we will use two digits, something like 36. These are two-digit multipliers. Okay, so let's take a simple example of a two-digit multiplier. 1, 2, 3 into 12. Okay, let's try to find an answer for this one. The logic is very simple. Just like our one-digit multiplier, we will have to start with putting zeros in the front over here. Since there are two numbers, 1 and 2, which makes 12, so we will add 2. The two digits here, so 2 zeros here. Okay, now we begin. What we do is, first of all, we will take this unit place or the ones place, okay, and multiply it with the ones place over here. Okay, so let's do that. We take 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6, and that's what we will write here as the first digit of our answer. Now there is nothing over here. Okay, next to 3 there is nothing, so nothing multiplied by 1 is nothing. Okay, hence we wrote the answer 6. So why I did this? Very simple. What we need to do is create rainbows. We need to start with the digit which is in ones place or the units place. So that was our first rainbow. Then we need to find the neighbor of 3, which is on the right side. So the neighbor of 3 on the right was nothing, and so the answer was 6. So it was like 3 2s are 6 plus nothing. So the total answer is 6. That's how we got 6. Now let's draw the rainbow again. Okay, oops. We need this. Oops. Okay. All right. Got it. Oh. Okay, let me zoom in and I will try to delete the numbers. Oh, it's not working. Anyway, let's continue. Okay, let's try a rainbow one more time. Now we will do 2 into 2. Our first rainbow was 3 into 2. Now the second rainbow is 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4 plus, what was the neighbor of 2? On the right side we have 3. The 3 is the neighbor. Okay, So this is our neighbor of 2. So do 3 ones are 3. Okay, 4 plus 3 is 7. That's your second answer. Now let's move ahead. Let me go ahead and erase this so that there is some room over here. Wonderful. Now let's go ahead and take another digit 1. 1 twos are 2, and the neighbor of 1 on the right side is 2. So do 2 ones are 2. Okay, the total is 4. 4. Now continuing ahead, you take 0 twos are 0. And who is the right side neighbor of 0? 1. So do 1 ones are 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. So add 1. Now let's move ahead. 0 twos are 0 plus 0 ones are 0. So this is all 0. And that's your 0 over here. You can just leave it because we all know 0, 0 into 1 and 2 will always be zeros. So no need to do this last step of multiplication. And this is your final answer. So the answer to 123 times 12 is 1476. Let's check our answer. If you have calculator or something, go ahead and check it out. Okay. Now let's try again, this time with another number. Sorry. Let me go ahead and erase everything. There you go. There you go. Okay, this time we will zoom in a little closer. So let me first write the number. Let's choose some interesting number. We will pick 345 times 43 or 40. Nah, not 40. 345 times 78. A big number. Okay, let's try this one. Or maybe we should probably try a simple one. Let's try simple. Okay, what is 345 times 12? So let's try. We'll go with the same logic. We will take the units number and multiply. So I'm gonna take 5 multiply by 12. Let me reduce the stroke width. Okay, 5 multiply by 2. Okay, 5 twos are 10. There is nothing on this side of 5. So nothing into 1 is nothing. So your first digit is 10. Now we will only write the units place in the answer. And what happens to the 1? As usual, the 1 stays. Now we will move to the next number, which is 4. 4 twos are 8. And who are the neighbors on the right side? 5. So 5 ones are 5. So now you do The answer is 14. Okay, so we take the number 4 and we write it in our answer, and the 1 is carried over. Let me erase. Okay, let's continue. We will take 3, multiply by 2. 3 2s are 6. Who is the neighbor of 3? On the right is 4. 4 1s are 4. Add all of them. What is the number? Answer is 11. So take 1 from the units place and put it here. The other one stays. Now, oh, we never added zeros. That is bad. First, we need to add 2 zeros for the number. So let's go ahead and do that. Now, we continue. We take this one. 0 2s are 0. And the neighbor 3 1s are 3. So we add. The answer is 4. So we write 4. Now we move next. 0 2s are 0. 0 1s are 0. So we got 0. And there was nothing to carry over. So this is 0 here. And this is your answer. If you have calculator, you can go ahead and check, and your answer will be the same, which is 345 times 12 equals to 4140. Okay, I hope you understood this. I will repeat the steps. Step number 1, because there are 2 digits, you need to add 2 zeros. Step number 2, you start with 5 times 2. Okay, the units place of both the numbers. 5 2s are 10. So you put 0 here of 10 and carry the 1. There is no right side neighbor of 5. Step 3, go to 4, multiply by 2, then go to 5, multiply by 1. Add them. Then continue ahead. Take 3, multiply by 2, then 4, multiply by 1. You add them. Always write the units place over here. So if you get a 2-digit number, you keep the 1 outside and you take the units place and write it in your answer. And your answer will be correct. Always. Okay. I will also show you how to verify your answer separately. Okay. Remind me if you like these videos and want to learn how to verify your answers without redoing the multiplication. Okay, take care, enjoy, bye.